Hello children, how are you? Hope you will be preparing for your JNBST 2023. In your preparation, there will be a comprehension of English language that will be for checking the ability of a child how he can answer the questions reading a paragraph. These paragraphs are quite easy and you can easily score very good marks. 4 paragraphs will be there. Each paragraph will have 5 questions. You have to read those passages, those questions, and carefully you have to answer all those questions which are given along with the paragraph. Each question will have 4 options, and from all those 4 options, you have to choose the correct answer that will be easy for you. Here we have taken one example. One passage is given here. You have to read the passage carefully, and following that passage several questions are given, and along with each question there are 4 options. See one passage that I am reading for you. Sunflower plants are big in size. Their stems are thick and hairy, and their leaves are big and are shaped as heart. Sunflower petals are as big as plates used for eating. Some of the sunflower plants grow twice the size of a tall man. Sunflower is grown in different parts of the world. Oil produced from sunflower seeds is used for cooking, making paints, and soap. Many people like eating sunflower seeds. So this is a passage that is about sunflower, how sunflower is grown, what is the use of sunflower, what is the use of seeds. It is quite simple. It may be difficult for a child if a child is feeling that the passage is quite difficult and he or she is not able to understand the passage in one time. The child should read the passage again and again. So if you are able to understand the passage, you can go for the question answer, and if you are not able to understand the passage, read the passage again. After reading the passage, you have to read the questions, and you will find the answer of each question in the passage. So, I think you will be able to understand the passage. The passage is about sunflowers, their size, their stems, their leaves, and the flowers, the use of the seeds, and how it is grown in different parts of the world. Now, questions are given. Each question is carrying 1 mark. You have to remember that there will be 4 such passages. Each passage will carry 5 questions, and each question will carry 1 mark. Means total 20 questions will be there, and you have to choose the answer of those questions. This 20 mark from reading comprehension, that is quite easy to score. So now we are going to the questions. Our first question is, how does a sunflower leaf look like? So now options are given: as a herb, as a plant, as a book, as a car. Simply, when you read the passage, you can find here sunflower plants are as big in size, their stems are thick and hairy, and their leaves are big and are shaped as heart. So here is your first answer. The are shaped as heart. So option 1 is the correct answer, and you can choose the first answer. Now the second question, petals mean. Now children, in some questions you have to use your own ability. Petal is given here. But what is the meaning of petal that you have find in the science book of class 5? In class 5 science book, you must have heard this word. So here petal means part of a flower. So flower of the plant, this is not the correct answer. Leaves of the plant, that is also not the correct answer. Roots, you know better. So parts of the flower that you have read in class 5 science book, so this will be your correct answer. Now going to the third question. Sunflower leaves are. Again you have to go to the passage and through your answer as big as plates, big and heart shape, thick and hairy, 12-13 feet long. So when you read the passage, you can easily again find this answer. Sunflower leaves are. Here leaves are big and shaped as heart. Again you have underlined, so big and heart shape. So this will be your third answer. Now your fourth question. What is not made out of sunflower plants? In some questions, you have to answer the answers in a different way. So here, we are not asking what is made, but the question is what is not made. So you must be careful while reading the question so that you can understand the question and answer the question easily. Here, what is made is given. It is used for cooking, it is used for making paints, it is used for soap. Here oil, this is done by sunflower. This paint is also made, this soap is also made, but perfume is not written anywhere in the passage, so this will be your answer. Now the last. How do many people use sunflower seeds? Again, when you go through the passage, it is written many people like eating sunflower seeds. So here it is eating, and eating is the correct answer. Now, in some questions, there may be some option that all of the above, not any one of the above. There may be such questions also, so you must be careful. Again, I repeat the process of answering a comprehension, that whenever a comprehension is given, you have to read the passage carefully. If you are able to understand the passage, you go through the question. If you are not able to understand the passage, you have to read the passage once, twice or thrice. The most important thing that while you are answering the question, read the question carefully, try to find out the related answer in the passage, think about the answer, then only answer the question. That will be a good thing for you to score good marks in comprehension, because you will be asked simple questions, and this comprehension passage that will be easy for you to score good marks. Thank you. I hope you will be benefited from this video. If you are having any problem, you can read again and again and practice it as more as you can. That will be helpful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Best of